Welcome back. Before we start our deep dive into today's topic, please take a second to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a technical breakdown. It really helps the channel grow. Apache Toree is a specialized kernel for Jupyter notebooks that allows users to interact with Apache Spark clusters. It supports multiple programming languages, including Scala, Python, and SQL, making it a versatile tool for data scientists and engineers. Toree is particularly valuable for those who want to perform interactive analytics on large datasets, leveraging Spark's distributed computing power while maintaining the convenience of a notebook interface. Toree is essential for teams that need to prototype and explore large datasets interactively. It integrates seamlessly with Apache Spark, offering powerful distributed computing capabilities. With support for Scala, Python, and SQL, it caters to diverse technical preferences. Its notebook-based interface makes it ideal for collaborative and reproducible data science workflows. While Apache Zeppelin and Jupyter with PySpark offer notebook capabilities, Toree is specifically built for Spark. It provides native support for Scala, which is Spark's primary language, and integrates more deeply with Spark's APIs. This makes Toree a superior choice for teams working extensively with Scala and requiring full Spark functionality in an interactive environment. Apache Toree functions as a kernel that bridges Jupyter notebooks and Apache Spark. It interprets user code, manages the Spark session, and communicates with the Spark driver. This architecture allows users to execute distributed Spark jobs interactively, while maintaining session state and context for seamless development. Setting up Apache Toree is straightforward. You'll need Apache Spark installed and configured. Then, install Toree using pip or conda. Once installed, configure the kernel with your Spark settings and launch Jupyter. Toree will appear as a kernel option, ready for interactive Spark development. Scala is Spark's native language, and Toree provides excellent support for it. Users can access the full Spark API directly in notebooks, enabling performance-critical tasks and interactive development. This makes Toree a preferred choice for developers who want the power and flexibility of Scala in a notebook environment. While Scala is native to Spark, Toree also supports Python via PySpark. This allows users to leverage Python's rich ecosystem of data science libraries while still benefiting from Spark's distributed computing. You can even switch between Scala and Python cells in the same notebook, enabling hybrid workflows. Toree also supports SQL Queries directly within notebooks. This is particularly useful for analysts and data engineers who prefer SQL for data exploration and transformation. You can create temporary views, run complex queries, and visualize results, all within the same notebook environment. One of Toree's strengths is its ability to run and monitor Spark jobs interactively. Users can track job progress, access logs, and even open the Spark UI directly from the notebook. This real-time feedback is invaluable for debugging and optimizing Spark applications. Toree allows you to dynamically add dependencies to your notebook session. Using magic commands like %add_jar and %add_deps, you can include external libraries or JAR files without restarting the kernel. This flexibility is essential for extending Spark functionality or integrating with third-party tools. Toree includes a suite of magic commands that enhance the notebook experience. Commands like %add_jar and %add_deps help manage dependencies, while %SQL allows direct SQL execution. %showtypes provides Scala type information, and %help gives a quick reference. These commands make Toree more powerful and user-friendly. Toree is a powerful tool for machine learning workflows. With full access to Spark mlib, users can build, train, and tune models interactively. It supports ML pipelines and transformations, making it easy to prototype and iterate on models before scaling to production. In the real world, Apache Toree is used across industries. Financial services teams use it for exploratory data analysis on large transaction datasets. Healthcare researchers prototype predictive models. Retail analysts collaborate on customer behavior insights. Marketing teams build interactive dashboards for campaign performance. While Toree is powerful, performance tuning is essential. Optimize Spark configurations for your cluster, cache frequently used datasets, and monitor resource usage. Avoid loading excessively large datasets into memory, and consider partitioning strategies for better performance. For enterprise environments, Toree supports security features like Kerberos authentication and SSL encryption. It integrates with existing authentication systems and supports role-based access control. Audit logs and session tracking help maintain compliance and security standards. Apache Zeppelin is another notebook tool that supports multiple backends, including Spark. While flexible, it's less Spark native than Toree. Toree excels for Scala developers and Spark-centric workflows, while Zeppelin suits teams needing support for diverse technologies. Toree notebooks can be exported as scripts and integrated into CI/CD pipelines. This enables automated testing, deployment, and version control of data science workflows. Tools like Jenkins or GitLab CI can trigger notebook execution and validate results. While debugging in Toree is not as robust as in full IDEs, it offers interactive error handling and cell-based outputs. Users can inspect logs, use the Spark UI for job tracking, and isolate issues by running cells independently. This makes debugging manageable for most interactive workflows. To get the most out of Toree, follow best practices. Use version control for notebooks, document your workflows, and avoid long-running cells that block interaction. Cache intermediate results to speed up iteration and improve performance. Toree integrates well with cloud platforms like AWS EMR and Databricks. It supports Kubernetes-based clusters and can be deployed in cloud-native notebook environments. This makes it a scalable and flexible choice for modern data science teams. Toree can be extended with custom plugins and magic commands. Developers can integrate visualization tools, add custom functionality, or contribute to community plugins. This extensibility makes Toree adaptable to a wide range of use cases. In educational settings, Toree is ideal for teaching Apache Spark. Its interactive interface supports multiple languages, making it accessible to diverse learners. It's perfect for hands-on labs and real-time coding exercises, helping students grasp complex concepts quickly. Common issues with Toree include kernel startup failures, dependency conflicts, and resource limits. Ensure your Spark cluster is reachable, dependencies are compatible, and sufficient memory is allocated. Checking logs and configurations often resolves these issues. Apache Toree has an active community and rich resources. The official documentation, GitHub repositories, and community forums provide tutorials and examples. Join the mailing list or Slack channels for support and to stay updated on new features. While PySpark notebooks are great for Python users, Toree offers broader language support and deeper Spark integration. It's better suited for teams working with Scala or requiring full Spark API access. PySpark is simpler for those already embedded in the Python ecosystem. Advanced users can leverage Toree's session management APIs, custom visualizations, and integration with BI tools. Fine-tune Spark configurations and extend functionality with custom kernels or plugins for enterprise-grade deployments. Toree supports Spark structured streaming, enabling interactive stream processing in notebooks. Users can build real-time analytics workflows, connect to Kafka or other sources, and monitor streaming queries with ease. In DevOps workflows, Toree enables notebook-driven development. Teams can version control notebooks, automate testing of analytics code, and integrate with CI/CD pipelines. This promotes reproducibility and collaboration across data science and engineering teams. Toree integrates seamlessly with popular visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Plotly. Users can create interactive charts and graphs directly from Spark datasets. Custom visualization plugins further extend these capabilities for specialized use cases. Toree integrates with the broader big data ecosystem, including Hadoop, Hive, Kafka, and Cassandra. It supports modern data lake formats like Delta Lake and Iceberg, and works seamlessly with cloud storage solutions for scalable analytics. While Toree is primarily used for interactive development, it can be part of production pipelines. Teams export notebooks to scripts, manage sessions and resources carefully, and ensure security and compliance. Monitoring and logging are essential for maintaining reliability. The future of Apache Toree looks promising, with ongoing improvements in debugging tools, visualization support, and cloud integration. Community contributions continue to drive innovation, ensuring Toree remains a vital tool for interactive big data analytics. To dive deeper into Apache Toree, explore the official Apache documentation, GitHub repositories with examples, and community forums. Online courses and certifications can also help you master Toree and its integration with Spark. In our hands-on demo, we'll walk through setting up Toree with a Spark cluster, running Scala and SQL cells, using magic commands, and visualizing results. This will give you a practical understanding of how Toree enhances interactive data science. Let's take a deep dive into how Toree is used in real-world scenarios. From customer analytics and retail to fraud detection in finance, healthcare modeling, and marketing analysis, Toree empowers data teams to innovate and scale. Apache Toree is a powerful bridge between interactive notebooks and Apache Spark. It supports multiple languages, enables rapid prototyping, and fosters collaboration. Whether you're exploring data, building models, or deploying analytics, Toree enhances your workflow with Spark's scalability. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Apache Toree. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know your Toree use cases in the comments. Sharing this with your data team helps us grow and bring you more valuable content. And that wraps up our explanation. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and share it with a fellow developer. Don't forget to subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.